If you don't like boring lectures but still love engineering, then hit that subscribe button now. Welcome to Engineer Beyond Limits, the place where we break down complex engineering concepts into easy-to-understand explanations. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about how things work, we've got something for you. Here we tackle real-world engineering challenges, demonstrate hands-on projects, and explore innovative solutions. Our mission is to inspire and educate, making engineering accessible and fun for everyone. So don't miss out. Like our videos, follow our journey, subscribe to stay updated, and comment to join the conversation. Let's build a community of curious minds and engineering enthusiasts. Remember, at Engineer Beyond Limits, the possibilities are endless. Hit that subscribe button now and let's engineer a better world together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.